Tonight I'm going to do a demonstration of the RoboRaptor. This time it's running under infrared control. There's an infrared receiver module stuck up there on the top of everything. Didn't know how to work the internal infrared. Still using the adafruit motor controller, and underneath that is an Arduino. And I've got the keys programmed. That's forward, backwards. It's funny how on the slippery floor he actually slides a bit. Then we have some commands such as right leg forward, right leg backwards. Or I mean left leg. There's the other leg, right forward, right backwards, head up, head down, and in the middle is neck. Fortunately, as he turns his neck, his head gets turned too, because I don't have his body on him. Oh, tail. Tail, what is that? Whichever way it is, that's his left, that's his right. So I can wiggle his tail. Oh, I also missed his roar. It's not much of a roar, it's just a random number generator. And also we have a bit of a turn. He can turn. Not all that well. Back to forward, and you see his forward went sideways. And does more of a turn on a forward command on the slippery floor. That's his back command. This floor is so slippery, he just slides. And you gotta get him to turn to face the camera, my goodness. Wonder what happens if I give him the turn command. He just slides. Hey, let's turn him back around here and give him a forward command. That needs some work as to why he's sliding sideways on forward. Works perfectly fine on the desktop, but on the slippery floor he seems to be confused. Well, see if he'll bow. That's nod. Bow. Here we go. And say goodbye.